Do you want a build where you can shoot, block people, and get rebounds? Well, then this is your build. Then you're gonna shoot. You're gonna be blocking people from the back. You're gonna be hitting it from the back, no homo, and you're gonna be getting rebounds like nothing. But the dunking is a so-so. You gotta get to 95 to get to 70 driving dunk. But the ball handling is gonna be low. So if you're a ball handler, I would not recommend this build. But yeah, otherwise you want this build, you're going to make a center, of course, right-handed, and any jersey number you guys want. Like that, bam. Alright, for the attributes, you guys are going to want to get, where is it at? Shooting and rebounding. And then for this one, just choose the top one right off the bat. Alright, for the stunt. For your finishing, you're going to get close shot all the way up. You're going to want driving layup all the way up. You're going to want driving dunk all the way up. And then you're going to want standing dunk at a 55. Alright. Here we go. And then post hook, keep it the same. Alright, for shooting, just put them all the way up. So you have 17 shooting badges total. That's how much you should have once you put it all the way up. There we go. Alright, for playmaking, just keep it the same. And then for defense, just put all of them up. Like so. And then you should have 23 defensive badges at the end. Alright, there we go. And I got 2 more. What the hell? What the hell? Alright, just put them anywhere you want, I guess. I did not realize that I have 2 more. Alright, there we go. Alright, for body shape, you can choose anyone you want. I chose built for mine, but for you guys, you can choose anyone you want, really. Doesn't really matter. Alright, for height, you're going to want 6'11". Alright, so for many people, if you can choose a higher height for like getting better rebounds and blocking people better. But if you want shooting, choose a lower height. 6'11" is in between, but 6'11" would be the best height for you if you want to do both. So yeah. And then for weight, go to 253. Wingspan, put it all the way down for a better shooter. But if you want a high, you can put it higher for rebound. But this is the best one for you. Trust me, you're going to be blocking people. Put it at 83. And then for takeover, put rim protector so you guys can get rebounds and shit and shoot. As well, it helps you shoot a little bit, but yeah, it puts everything up. And then when you're done, yes, you're going to have made a glass cleaning lockdown. And then here's what you want for badges, alright? Trust me, this helps. This is going to make you, like, stand up, shoot anywhere in the fucking court. Alright, let it load. Alright, so you can put it any overall, doesn't really matter. Any overall would be good for you guys. I'm just going to put it 99 for an example. Alright, for this one, you want Pro Touch. For shooting, you want Gold Catch and Shoot, Corner Specialist Bronze, Deadeye, Gold, Steady Shooter Gold, Hook Draw and Hawk, and Range... Oh, my bad. I have one. Put Catch and Shoot at Silver, that's my bad. Catch and Shoot at Silver, and Range Extender on Hop. Alright, so these are your shooting badges. There you go. For playmaking, put on Unpluckable, because when you post up people, they'll be unable to steal the ball, so yeah. And then for this is what you want. You want Box on Hop, Chase on Hop, Intimidator on Hop, Rebound Chaser on Hop, Rim Protector on Hop, and Pogo Stick on Gold. These are just gonna help you in the paint so much. Alright, there we go. Here's what the build looks like for you guys. And yeah, trust me, watch. This is gonna be fire. I'll put some clips at the end too for you guys to show. And yeah, just let it load. Alright guys, we're in the game. So this is what I'm talking about for block. I'll put some clips at the end. Bam. Alright guys, see, we already got a rebound. We have the ball right now. You should just pass it to him. Wait till we get open. Dang, Kyle Lowry. Alright, I gotta wait till we get the ball for shooting. Let's go! That's what I'm talking about. See you guys later.
Hey, I ain't folding under pressure, I ain't switching for no hoe. I ain't talking to no cop and I ain't telling on my bros. Ain't no killer, but don't push me, fingers itching on that pole. Niggas plotting on my come up, gotta watch the